We're going to install the TIMEDIF add-on in Google Sheets. The first thing that you want to do is in your browser, go to the web address sheets.new. And this will bring up a blank Google Sheet. The next thing that you want to do is just come into the upper right hand corner, make sure you're using the right Google account. So when you hover over it, it will tell you what email it's associated with. We'll say that's the right one for me. We'll come down. You want to find this plus button, and you'll see when you hover over it, it says get add-ons. If you don't see that, come down and look to see if your side panel is hidden. So I just click that button. Let me click it again. It makes the side panel pop out. So we'll click on that plus button. This opens up a window that shows you all the add-ons available in the Google Workspace Marketplace. And let's search for TIMEDIF. All right, so it comes up, we'll select that. Here you see TIMEDIF. We'll just click on that. And you have the choice to do an admin install or an individual install. If you're at a company, you may be doing the admin install, but this is about the individual install. So we'll click on this button. And it brings you to a screen where you need to confirm what Google account you're using. So this is the one that we had just looked at. We'll click on that. You may have to enter your password. Mine's pre-filled here, so we'll click next. And this is an important screen, and this is TIMEDIF coming up and asking only one permission. So a lot of times these add-ons ask to look at everything in your Google Drive, but this one only needs permissions to look in the spreadsheet that this app is going to be installed in. Okay, so we'll click allow. Takes a second to install it. And then it tells you it's been installed. We'll click on done. Now we can close this window. We'll look at our side panel and there's TIMEDIF. So if you left click on it, it launches it, and you can try it free for 7 days and see if you like it.